Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Let us take the evening dua part 1. This dua also is like morning dua, except that subh is replaced there, asbahna is replaced there by amsayna, and so on, and yom is replaced by layla. That's the only difference. Okay, so let us start this dua. Amsayna. Okay, amsayna lillah, but the words are joined together here. Amsayna wa amsal mulku lillah. Okay, walhamdulillah. So as I told you, you can memorize these by on your fingertips. Use 3 fingers for the, and each finger can be used for 3 items. So first finger amsayna wa amsal mulku lillah walhamdulillah, and the second part is la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah. Okay, the second finger la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, and the third part lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. The third finger you have lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. You don't have to do it on finger. It's not a sunnah, but it's a tip for memorization. You may do it or you may use any other method. So let us translate. Amsayna, asbahna, we entered the morning. Amsayna, we entered the evening. So that's very simple. Amsayna, we entered the evening. Okay. Wa amsal mulku, and the kingdom entered the evening. Very simple. Al mulku is kingdom. Amsa means he entered the evening. Here, who is that? Al mulku, the kingdom, the whole universe entered the evening. Lillahi, for Allah. Lillahi means for Allah. Walhamdulillah. Walhamdulillah, and all praises and thanks are for Allah. Let's take the message here. We reach the evening with blessings and ease. Amsayna wa amsal mulku lillah. Consider all that could have happened during the day. And lillah, we belong to Allah. And in fact, the entire kingdom belongs to Allah. Though it seems to us, or it may seem to us, that some men control a tiny part of this kingdom. In times of unrest in a society, we are especially worried about different things. We must remember that the whole universe belongs to Allah, and no one can harm us without Allah's will. Walhamdulillah, that's very important. That is, all praises are for Allah, that He made the day and the night, created the sun and the moon, and made the morning and the evening. And the other meaning is, all thanks are due to Allah. Okay, that He gave us the chance to do good things during the day, including prayers, studies, job, shopping, household chores, meeting with friends and neighbors, etc. Whatever you have done. Okay, He kept us safe, provided us the food, and helped us take out the waste without any problems. Alhamdulillah. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, and understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum